What's up, guys?
Hello, welcome to Teke MC.
We're
going to the top of the hill.
Yan.
Today, Brookhaven. Claim the house.
Claim the house, everyone. Mga tao tayo ngayon. Ate Shanti, I'll claim the house. Okay, never mind. You'll claim the house. I'll claim the snow house.
Get it? That is not a snow house.
Oh, because it has like a snow thing on it. Always my house.
Wait. I'm gonna make a party
Everyone. Mga tao.
How do you unclaim this house? Oh no.
Never unclaim it.
Gavin, but they don't have a house yet. The house.
You just didn't put a thingy on it.
Bro. How do you unclaim it? I'll rejoin. Okay. Bro, look at this. Bro, should we make border patrol here? Suck. Good.
Whoa!
Bro, I'm gonna make border control. Coming!
You mean
Hold
checkpoint?
on,
You mean border patrol? Checkpoint, you mean?
Yeah, checkpoint. Hey, giddy up! This gonna be the checkpoint.
Table.
I need walls. Hello, everyone.
Okay, mga tao ngayon. Mga hindi tao at mga tao. May alam ko may nanonood kaya dito. Anyways, enough of those things.
Gonna put rock and put the house over here.
Over here. Here ka ng here.
Over here.
Mga tao kayo. Ako si
Gonna add the city. Hey, look! There's dark.
Dali lang guys.
You open. Bro, who placed this? Why is there a chair here? Get rid of the chair. We have the swimming pool. Ate, get back. Get to the camp. Get to base.
Okay.
Ate, get to base. No, so bro, who placed that thing? The bed. Get rid of the bed.
Huh?
Ate, get back to our base. Get back to the base.
Dali lang.
This part. Hello, Lagin. Hello, Aisa. And a random person.
Guys, this is not a random person. But, bro.
Bro, he has a gun pointed at you, bro. Just telling you that. I'm not in front of him. Can someone get rid of this chair? I'm gonna put some stuff in. Actually, no, we only stay outside. Because we need to protect the outside. Bro, who placed this chair here? Can someone get rid of it?
It is you, Isaac.
It's not. Bro, that's me.
It's you, Bobby.
Get rid of that chair there. And also, why is there a bed? Get rid of the bed.
I don't know who got
Wait.
the bed.
It's that random person.
No, wait. No. You shoot.
Isaac, it's weird. Why are you shooting yourself?
There, guys. I got it. I'll be machine gun person.
Wait, I'll tell this guy. I'll tell this
Tell him
guy
I'm
to
machine
guard
gun
me.
person.
Hey,
My house is
Bacon.
gonna be Oh, balot?
Tell him to get rid of that bed.
Bed. It's not you who put the bed.
Yeah, I did put it there.
Okay, let
Bro, get rid of this bed. Guys, what time it is? It's 2 p.m.
What time is it?
Hey, Ate Shanti, take off the palda.
What palda?
The blue thingy.
Okay. How do I get rid of it? By the way.
So you see that pencil with the head?
What pencil with the head?
So, bro, go out, bro. You see that setting that has pencil with the head?
Yeah.
Go to it,
And then
you see that thing with a red noob,
there.
and go click on the X. Then you take off the palda and put on a army hat, so you'll guys become safe. Hey,
Someone get rid of this.
Gavin, you're the gatekeeper, so I'm gonna roommate you.
Thank you.
Come inside, everyone except for you.
I got
Only
Leon
Ate
dead.
Shanti. Ate Shanti, come follow me. We'll have a meeting.
Okay. Here. Oh, awesome.
Hey, not there, not there. Here, go down.
Dude, there's no one picking up.
Follow me, Ate Shanti. Ate Shanti, get down here.
Why is there a random person?
That's not a random person. That's a new guy. Wait. Gavin, who's guarding? Bro, there's no one guarding
Nobody
the
going
fort.
up anyways. There's nobody going up anyways. No one going here anyways. Can you put the Can you put the car there? Perfect parking.
Guys,
Yeah, what's up?
Bro, we're gonna need another guard.
let's
What's
put
up?
here
What's up, guys?
something.
What's wrong with you guys? What's up?
Get up!
What's up?
don't know what
No, no.
is that, but I'm gonna get rid of that and place something. I don't know. If I shouldn't get rid of that, then I'm sorry, and tell us in the comments if I shouldn't get rid of that.
Yo, where are you?
So
What up?
describe to take AMC. Hey, subscribe.
Subscribe to KKMC or you will get tired later when you sleep.
What? No. Let's not use those, bro. I'm not a rage baiter. I am not like Gobin. Mga tao kayo. Talaga, ha? Umayos na tayo, mga... So, paano to? Dito dadaan yung kotse, tapos papaganon?
Wait lang.
Yo, what's up, guys?
I'm just gonna test it. I'm gonna test how it works. I'm gonna test.
Pang
Then they do like this, then... Where's
Oh,
the working?
You can park in the water. If you want your car to be destroyed.
Dito yung parking.
Yung parking at dito. At the pinang campus.
Okay, I'm gonna go sleep. I have big plans for this country tomorrow. Ay, naging presidente na ako, everyone.
Need protect.
Okay, prepare your gun.
Ay.
Ate, wait. Who's Isaac's bodyguard?
The random person.
Okay, the random person's on a girl bike.
Are you talking with a random person?
Is going. Random person's walking. Ate! Ate! Need to fortify. Use more props. Can you use more props for lights?
KKMC's bodyguard with random person.
Isaac! Wait, Isaac, can you place more stuff like more lights? And the sign saying like, do not go here unless you have a card.
No. Do not go here unless you have a... What?
A card. We should do like a card. So then if they don't have a card.
Military personnel only. Important personnel only.
Gabi.
Isaac, can you move that sign, bro?
Gavin, there's a spider.
It's okay. Isaac, can you move that sign?
Spider.
Upstairs.
Gonna step on it.
Pushing this in the thing. The thing. I put it down, but I didn't put it in the box. I just put it there. Downstairs.
Gabi, guys, make sure nobody will come to my house, pull a gun, and just did the same thing.
Can you move the important personnel only sign because it's kind of blocking off the car way.
How?
It's blocking off the entrance for the cars.
You mean like
No,
this?
something with
Boom, bro. Bro, they're gonna do that.
Can someone get rid of this bed? Who spawned it, bro?
I don't
The
know.
random
I don't think
person. But
Someone
bro,
get
he's...
rid of the bed.
Here's one thing about the random person, bro.
Isaac.
Cars cannot be stuck on the bed.
Yeah, but I mean, it's kind of actually.
Hey, why is that geometry dash cube here? Look at this.
Bro, who plays all these spiders?
Ate Shanti,
Sorry, that's me.
I'm gonna ban you and unban you.
I'm removing all the spiders.
Unban her. Ban her and then unban her. That's how you get rid of the old spiders. Ate!
Papa!
You still have a lot of stuff, right? Can you get rid of
I just removed this pumpkin
those
over here.
spiders?
Gavin, the random person is shooting you. I'm not lying. The random person is shooting you.
Who's shooting?
The random person is shooting Gavin. I want to one spider this morning. Of course.
Okay, I'm living a life in top here.
Go to your bed.
Later.
Oh no, they will not. This bed's downstairs. Me, I love playing Ganagan. And I'm playing this now at arcade.
Who is in the bathroom?
I'm not there. I'm going here. Important personnel only. Testing. Sorry, that was just spec. The random.
Guys.
The random person is looking at me. Hey, what happened to my Roblox? Why did it? Ten.
Downstairs.
Gavin.
Later.
Gavin. These are important signs. Gavin. Here's some important signs. The orange light means ready for speed. The red light means war attention, and the blue light means issue. The blue. Never mind. The blue light means wake up. Okay, now go down there. Tomorrow is in line. Gavin.
I'm back.
Ate, claim the house. Turn it into a military base. Gonna get my glasses.
Subscribe, protect the MC.
Mama, at least napahinga ka ng mata kanina. Yup.
KMC. Wait. Where's the random person?
I don't know.
Ayaw mo pito?
Nakakamiss. Puro ganyan ah. Puro crunchy na ano.
Puro
Guys,
God.
Just sit down.
I'm gonna enjoy my meal while watching.
What's that sound?
I'm eating in real life. Wait, I'm gonna get food.
Look at me, sparkles in my sock. You notice that I have sparkles in my avatar?
Huh?
Isaac, what are you eating?
Spicy ding dong.
Who is that?
Pero mo ba tayong strawberry? Yun pa lang sa akin. Pabagyo pa lang. Strawberry pa ako. Di ba mabili ba strawberry dito?
Ate,
Isaac.
tan.
What are you doing?
Hebrew.
There's
What?
someone in the house. There's a... He cannot enter. Can you lock it?
Ayan si Gabi, Isaac. Bakit?
Hmm?
Ayan si Gabi.
Nandyan. Ayun.
Wait, I forgot. You can put the spider in the pool now.
Why can't you hear me? Why can't you talk? Do you...
Yung gumawa mo ako lang. Ano? Faithfully yun.
Let's go there. Dude,
Mga baba pa lang.
someone's in your house.
Pwede ako.
Huh?
Someone was in Ati's house.
Don't let anyone in my house.
Ha? Ayun ka baka busy? Na ano? Select mo lang ako lang.
Gavin, go outside. Ate Shanti, come inside.
Ayun mo na yun. Kaya hindi ko lang oras na. Unless na lang makikipo ako.
Ate Shanti will guard me. And you, Gavin, will guard outside. Ate, I will be upstairs and you will be downstairs. Malapit na maubos.
Hey. There's a girl saying I need a job here.
Tell her to work
What you
for
think
me.
I need to work for you?
How's
What about green peas?
Isaac, there's someone outside that says she wants to work here, bro.
tell her she can.
There's a girl outside.
May bawang bilog na. Ano ba yung benefits ng kanin? Ha?
Okay. But
Ha? Ano benefits ng kanin? Energy yun, carbohydrate. Pakakalaman pa din kumain yun, lalo na sa inyong mga bata. Baga ang salt. Mga bata, ano lang, okay na yun. Kasi pag nasobrahan naman sa
tell her to come in.
diba, nagiging fast, tapos hindi nababurn. Kaya nakaupo lang.
You're the one who's gonna train her. Tell her.
Tapos, nagkukos ng
Ate,
hindi
do
na
it.
talaga gumagalaw, timusog na Nancy.
Ate, how about you train her?
Diabetes.
I don't know about grocery.
Di nga siya,
You train her.
ha?
Ate, I'll tell you what to do.
Yung sa ice drop.
So, tell her to do something.
Ice drop? Ano ice drop?
Tell her she needs to dress up as a military first. Huh?
Ate, the learning seats are downstairs.
The learning
This is
center is downstairs.
downstairs.
Ang ganda ng glutinous fry.
Bottom floor. Tell her to go to the bottom floor.
Bro, no need. No, tell Ate Shanti. Tell her when she's down, she go downstairs. Green peas. Oh. Sweet.
How to become smaller than anyone in the world.
Alam mo ba, ma? Pero meron talaga isang
Isaac, I'm so small. I need tummy. I'm so small.
These are the learning seats. Isaac, where's the learning area?
Oh.
Upstairs.
May ganyan ako, tingnan mo.
Mama, what should I tell her next?
Go up there. That's where the learning area is. Then go outside. Go to the balcony.
Wait, not yet. She needs to prove her loyalty test. Go sit down.
Yeah. Do a loyalty test on her. There, Ate, you're gonna be like this. Wait, I need to train you to be. You need training to become a teacher. Like this. That has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 seats. 8 seats for one prop. Tell her to go upstairs.
So tell her.
Tell her to do a loyalty test.
Tell her that the leader is at the room now. The president of the country is at the room now.
Tell her to go upstairs. Balcony. Tell her to go to the balcony. Tell her to go to the balcony.
I'm gonna chill there.
Ate, this one. That.
So
I
ask
need to
her
sit here.
who is our glorious leader. Isaac or best man.
Hey! Who is our glorious leader? Bro! Take a MC or what?
Ay,
I mean, there, you answered correct.
what did she said?
MC or take a MC. Correct?
Opo.
Yeah. Let's go. Bro, I'm going. Check.
Okay, what's the next question?
Hey Isaac, by the way, I see a tiny guy glitching inside of our house. There's a tiny guy that's glitching inside of our house, bro.
Okay.
Ban him! Isaac, ban him! He's inside of our house!
Shoot him.
I can't!
Now
How
tell-
will you ban him?
When he comes here, I'll ban him. Now next test.
What is the next question?
What's the next question for Ate Shante?
What is the best color? Red or blue?
What is the best color?
Red or green or blue?
Ate Shanti, remember the answer is red, okay? But if she says blue,
There. What is the best color? Red or green or blue?
Red or green or blue?
Gavin, she said red.
say good.
One more question. What is the
One last
best
question.
language? Yeah, one last question.
Should everyone subscribe to Teke MC?
Gavin, it's hashtag. Can you do another question?
Should everyone subscribe to our president?
President. There, he said yes.
Say you have passed.
Bro, there's a guy inside. Bro, he has a bomb. Bro, they're getting in. Bro, you got nothing, bro. Go get them, bro. Here.
Alert!
Oh, I just touched him. He's back. Bro,
What's next? He's
bro,
done
just ban him.
I'm gonna go to the safety bunker.
I suck. I suck.
Bro, there's another guy. Lock the doors. Isaac, where's the safety bunker again?
Bro, hurry up. Come to the safety bunker.
Where?
Go downstairs to the library.
And then where's oh here? Go inside of the safety bunker. Oh, this gonna be the room. Oh, it's water. Ate, go downstairs.
Okay, I think everything is good now.
Yeah, I think Ate's downstairs already. Isaac, wait. I'll get the beds. Ate, go downstairs to the library. I'm here. Go, get in. I'll get the beds.
How do you open this door?
Alert! Get down, Isaac. Open the door. Ate, get down. Get downstairs. Downstairs into the library. Let's go. Get in. Isaac, we made it. Isaac, where are you?
Okay, good. Good now, good.
Okay, it's good. We can go out.
Bro, the girl left.
I think go out. Good. Is everything okay? Lock the doors. I lock the doors. It's okay. Go, I lock the door. Everything's good.
Yup. Hurry up.
It's another person. Hurry, shoot him. Yeah. Nice. Left. Okay, get to the safety bunker.
This is
Get
where
to
I
the
will
safety
sleep.
bunker. Okay, Aisha, your bed.
Dito ako matutulog.
Ate, get to the safety bunker. Where? Downstairs in the library. The safety bunker's the library one.
No need, no
Isaac, here.
need. No need.
No, it's like... Actually, wait, no need.
Where's the threat? Nasaan na yung threat?
They're gone. Isaac, we should raid. Isaac, should we start raiding? Should we start raiding?
Wait. Go raid.
Raid? Okay, convoy. Ate, Isaac, you spawn your car. Ate, you spawn your tank. Convoy on Isaac's car.
Guys, guard me. Ate, spawn
Ate,
your
get
car.
it.
And go guard my
Spawn
car.
your car.
Spawn attack and go guard me.
Spawn a car or a tank or
And
anything that's
escort me.
military. Formation.
Formation. Okay, I'm
Ate, you
at
go
the
behind
middle.
Isaac. Ate, you
No,
go
no,
behind
no, no.
Isaac.
I'm at the middle.
Go. Like this.
Go, go, go. Formation.
Okay. I will go first. Ate, you go behind Isaac. Bro, Ate, stop shooting. Bro, go faster. Where should we raid first?
Raid here.
Can I use the tank?
I declare.
Isaac, where did you go?
I declare the raid. I declare the raid. Attack!
Ate, get in your tank, bro.
Kill them!
Get in your tank. Ate, can you go bomb my tank?
Here.
Can you go bomb my tank? There, shoot them.
Someone is in your house.
It's okay. Let's shoot them. On the side, shoot those people on the side. Turn.
Creep! 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 Creep!
Ate, attack.
Oh, there's a freaking slender!
Ate, shoot that girl.
Help me!
Shoot that girl. Shoot her.
I'ma watch. I'll get ice cream first.
Shoot her. Shoot her. Shoot her, bro. Why are you not shooting?
I am governor.
Anything. She's got hold of your tank. She got hold of your tank. Destroy your tank. Get rid of your tank.
Okay, how?
What? Just press the vehicle thing and then press the vehicle with the X.
There, I did it.
I declare raid.
Ate, get on top of my car. Get on top.
Kill
Go shoot her.
the spawn
Let's
campers.
get the double bacon.
Kill the spawn campers. Get alive, spawn campers.
Ate, shoot.
I am.
There's a furry.
Oh, bro, there's a helicopter. Bro, I think we should
Helicopter.
go get our own helicopter. Wait, the jet.
We need premium, remember?
Bro, I thought you have premium.
I'm in my other account, so I don't got premium.
Hmm.
I saw a quarter back. We're going back to you. The drift settings is 0. That means it's always drifting. Oh, Ate! Ah! What's happening to our car? To my car.
Alright, that's a long life.
Drifting. Ate, Isaac, where are you? Oh! Ate! Where's Isaac?
What?
Where are you, bro?
Hurry up, go to the house. We have a speech.
Ate, go to the house. Isaac has a speech. Get on!
Speech.
Whoa! Get off the tank! Ate, get off! Oh! Isaac, there's a girl here. Shoot her.
Okay, hurry up. Listen to me.
Ate, Isaac has a speech.
Can you unlock the door? There. Where?
Here,
Up
bro.
here.
Go down, go down.
Go down. No, I'll protect you in case someone goes up.
Downstairs?
Hey, we got a girl. She's going to the swimming pool.
Ate, go downstairs. Not here. Hurry up. Okay. We have lived long. Bro, don't mind the girl, bro. Bro, listen to my speech. Gavin, go down or I'm gonna ban you.
Oh,
I said go down.
go down.
Okay, I'm going down.
That's where you're gonna listen, bro.
Okay, I'm down.
Okay, now listen to me. Where's Ate Shanti?
I don't know.
Hey, where are you?
Base, of course.
I don't. Isaac.
Yeah?
They're coming. Ate's coming.
Ate, don't go upstairs. Go downstairs. And go listen to me like that, bro. Like, you know, like I'm in a stage. Like that. Gavin.
Okay.
Bro, you could just go down straight. Like, do like that.
I'm gonna go down. There are more stairs. I'm downstairs. Okay, start the speech.
Go outside. Outdoor.
I'm outside. I'm
Where?
in the tent. I'm inside of the tent.
Are you listening to me, Sam?
Yeah, I'm listening.
We have lived long. Ong.
Isaac, am I hearing shooting up there?
No. Those are just sound effects. Till the blood
Bro, there's
of
no shooting up there, bro. Are you
our
drunk?
yup. Great.
Isaac, are you good, bro? They're shooting up there.
Great.
Isaac, they're shooting up there, bro.
Who the heck is that?
Oh no.
Bro, wait! I feel something. Oh!
Get out.
Okay, never mind. Bro, just go downstairs. I'm not joking.
Okay, I'm going down. There, I'm going.
So now,
See, I'm literally in the tent, bro. I'm in the tent.
yeah. So now, till this day. Till
Are you okay?
day. I'm
So now, till this day, Kimberly and Ohio will be priced at 500.
bro. I said stop.
Okay, I'm stopped. I stopped.
Everyone.
Finish the speech now.
Okay.
Ready, done?
Guys, read the chat. I want you to be automatically, bro.
Yeah, I heard that.
Guys, say the word, bro.
Yeah, I heard it. I did it. I said it.
Say it in real life.
Isaac!
Mabuhay, Isaac!
Yeah, I'm definitely not a dictator. Yeah. Say it one more time till the day I shot my gun out.
Mabuhay, Isaac!
Yeah. Mabuhay Isaac. Liblong Isaac.
Mabuhay, Isaac!
Mabuhay, Isaac!
Isaac,
Yeah.
why are you in a cage?
Bro, someone is spawning things in here, bro.
Why is there a cage? Oh, that's what I used to get.
Alright.
We are spawning cages, bro.
Right. Soldiers. We're gonna have a picture.
Okay!
Okay, go. Wait. Come up here. Gonna get a picture taking.
I'm gonna get
Okay.
Where are you guys?
Come here.
Where are you guys? I don't know where you guys are.
Come here upstairs at the balcony.
I am at the balcony, but I don't see you guys.
What?
I think I'm lagging. I'm definitely lagging. Bro.
Do you see the throne?
Yeah, I see that drone, but I don't know if I there.
I also don't see you. Guys, rejoin. Oh, there you are. Gavin,
I don't see you guys.
come up here. Bro, I saw you. You're downstairs. Just come
I'm
up.
not there, bro. I ate there.
Where are you then?
Where are you? I don't know.
Isaac,
Yeah.
where are you guys?
I'm at the tent. How about I said that?
Yeah, you're at the tent because I don't see you. Yeah, I can see you're at the tent.
Now follow me upstairs. I'm
And I can see
upstairs.
someone following you, so you better lock the door. Isaac, I'm following you. Isaac, I'm here. Here. The gun.
Not you.
You see me with the gun I'm shooting.
Oh no! That's not you, bro.
You, bro. That's me, bro. Gabi. Hey, bro. I'm gonna go to my phone. By the way, Isaac, look at the plant. Gavin is like, right? You see the plant? I was right here. I was hiding in the plant.
Yeah, bro. Bro, wait. We can add that as a picture taking, guys.
What's up? What's up?
Okay, bro. Guard me. Guard me.
I eat yeah.
Bro, I'm videoing. You want me to tell people that? Bro, I'm videoing.
Uy, okay na yun naman.
I mean, you better start watching me.
Guys, I'm
And you better
videoing.
start slowing down on watching our videos.
Bro, anyway, so that's it for this idiotic video. Bro, Gavin keeps saying Giat, bro, even though it's 2025.
Yeah.
So, yep.
Yep.
That's
Well, you
it,
said you
everyone.
like Giat before.
So, bye-bye. Like and subscribe to TechMC.